morning, children. Today I came back with an interesting story. Okay, shall we start the story? Okay, what is the story name? I will tell later. Okay, after completing the story, I will tell. So, okay, one girl is there. What is the girl name? Farah. So, Farah, she actually, Farah is a girl. She lived in a home. Okay, her fridge was empty. So what did she thought? She thought of going to the market and she planned to buy some groceries to her home. Okay, so she took her basket and she went to the market. So then what happened? First she went to a shop. She asked shopkeeper. So who is shopkeeper? Shopkeeper means who sells things in the shop. So she went to the shop and she asked a shopkeeper to give 1 dozen eggs and 1 liter of milk. So then what did shopkeeper said? He said eggs and milk is 100 rupees. Then what did Farah said? She gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper and the shopkeeper kept all the things, eggs and milk in the cloth bag, and Farah moved out from that shop. Where did she go next? She went to the fruit cart. Okay, she wanted to buy some fruits. So what fruits she purchased? 1 dozen bananas, 6 apples and 6 oranges she purchased. She gave money to the fruit seller and all the fruits he kept in the basket. Then from there she moved to purchase few vegetables. So what vegetables she purchased? 1 kilo of potatoes, 1 kilo of tomatoes and 1 cauliflower and some chilies, green chilies she purchased. Everything vegetable seller kept in the basket and Farah gave money to the vegetable seller. While she is giving money to the vegetable seller, slowly who came? Monkey came. So suddenly one monkey came and from the basket monkey took away bananas and ran away. So it went to the tree and started eating bananas. Everyone around the Farah, on the road, people were moving here and there. No, they were started shouting. Okay, then Farah, she saw monkey eating bananas. Then what did Farah say? Naughty monkeys. Okay, you enjoy eating bananas. I will buy some more bananas for me, she said, and happily she moved to the home. Now we will read story lesson from the textbook. So you enjoyed story, you understood. Once again we will recall the story from the textbook. Okay, children?
Yes, children. Now what did I say? Story name afterwards I told no. So what is the story name? Bananas for free. Who got for free? Monkeys got bananas for free. Okay. Now see here, children. Draw a food item you are happy to see in the fridge at home. So here you have to draw one food item which you like, your favorite food item you wanted to see in your fridge. Okay, children? Now we will read the lesson. See here. Put your finger in this way. See, name of the person always should start with a capital letter, children. Okay? Farah. Farah's fridge is empty. I have to go shopping, says Farah. She takes her basket. Then she goes to the market. So after going to the market, what did she buy? A dozen eggs and a liter of milk, please, says Farah to the shopkeeper. So she went to the shop and she asked the shopkeeper eggs and milk. The shopkeeper puts the things in a cloth bag. Here you are. That will be 100 rupees. Who said like this? Shopkeeper said to Farah. Says the shopkeeper to Farah. Farah gives him the money. She takes the bag. She gave money to the shopkeeper and she took the bag and came out. On the way home, she stops at a fruit cart. 6 apples, 1 dozen bananas and 6 oranges, please, she says to the man selling the fruits. He picks out the fruits, then he gives them to Farah. She gives him the money. She puts the fruits into a big basket. See here, basket. Now I have to buy vegetables, says Farah. She stops at a vegetable cart. She puts the basket with the fruits down. 1 kilo of potato and tomato, a cauliflower and some chilies, she says. Just then a monkey comes quietly. He takes the bananas from the basket and runs away. Some people shout, "Look in the tree." Next, Farah looks up at the tree. She sees some monkeys sharing the bananas. She laughs and says, "Okay, naughty monkeys, enjoy your bananas. I will buy some more." Okay children, this is the lesson. This is the Bananas for Free story. You read the story how I read. Take help of your parents and read each word from the story. Okay Nana? See Nana, here page number 17, Bananas for Free. Okay, draw a food item you are happy to see in the fridge at home. In this box you have to draw one food item which you like to see in your fridge. Okay, like cake, chocolates, ice cream, etc. Okay, any one item you have to draw neatly in this box. Next, page number 18. See, after this you have to read the lesson. Take help of your parents and read the lesson. And next, see here, page number 18. Match the food item with the correct amount that Farah buys. Here they have given food items and here they have given quantity. Okay, you have to match it with that quantity. 1 kilo potatoes, 1 liter milk, 1 dozen eggs. In this way you have to match this. Next, complete the answers with words from the story. First one, see here. Where does Farah buy the fruits? Farah buys the fruits at the fruit cart. Try to write in cursive handwriting. Okay, Nana, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, C-A-R-T, cart, fruit cart. Next, second one. Where does Farah buy the cauliflower? Farah buys the cauliflower at the vegetable cart. Third one. Where do the monkeys enjoy the bananas? The monkeys enjoy the bananas in the tree. Okay. Next, C bit. Write Y for yes or N for no. First one. It is good that Farah uses a basket for shopping. Yes, capital Y you have to write. Second one. It is bad that Farah carries her own basket to buy fruits. No, capital N you have to write. Next, page number 19. See here. Help Farah match the words with the things in the picture. So here they have given one picture and here Farah is standing. So she is thinking how to match the words. Okay, we will help Farah to match. See here. Bicycle is there now. From here to this word, bicycle word you have to match. Next, fruit cart. So here is fruit cart. From here to draw a line. Next, shop. From here to shop you have to match it. Next, here basket. See, she is carrying a basket. This lady is carrying a basket. From basket to basket word. Next, he is shopkeeper who sells things from the shop is called as shopkeeper. So match shopkeeper in this way. Next, umbrella. Where is umbrella? See, this man is carrying a umbrella. So umbrella to umbrella word you have to match it. Okay, and these words you have to repeat 5 times. Okay, Nana, 5 times read this word and practice the spellings. Okay, BAT bat, FAN fan, BAND band, FAT fat, MAN man, HAND hand, RAT rat, PAN pan, LAND land, SAT sat, RAN ran, SAND sand. See, these are BAT bat, fat, rat, sat, fan, man, pan, ran, band, hand, land, sand. See, these words end with T sound. These words are ending with N sound. These words are ending with D sound. So, practice these words spellings. Okay, Nana? So, these 3 pages you have to complete and send me. Okay?